Something else I do through my day is I have a calendar and I schedule my day by the hour. And sometimes I'll be in the middle of something and I'll be very wrapped up in it. Painting might be one of those. And it's time to quit painting and going and do something else. And when I do that, occasionally I run into resistance. And when I run into resistance, the first thing I say is, what else are you doing, Karen? If you don't do that, you're just going to sit around. So that's what I ask myself. What else are you doing? Let's go do that, because you're not doing anything else. Now, if I'm in the middle of a project and I want to finish my painting, it will be there tomorrow. There's nobody waiting in line to take over. Nobody wants to live my life. Nobody's interested in doing what I'm doing. Nobody. There is not a single person waiting in line to live my life. No one. Just like there's no one in line waiting to live yours. And so I know that that painting will be there if I wake up tomorrow. If I don't die today, then it'll be there tomorrow, and I can do it then. And I can do it during the time set that I've given myself. And it's always ample time. So I have a little time to do everything. So anytime you're running into resistance, you don't want to do something. Oh, I don't want to journal. Oh, I don't want to meditate. Well, ask yourself, what else are you doing? What else are you doing that's going to invest in you? Because nobody's going to invest in you but you. So if you're not willing to invest in you, then you can expect others to treat you in kind. So show yourself that you're worth investing in by saying, what else are you doing? Well, I'm not doing anything else. Well, then we're going to do that then. Because it's on the calendar and it's worth my time and energy. Because I'm the one who put it on my calendar. Because I'm worth it. I'm worth planning for. I'm worth taking the time. I'm worth making a schedule for. This is my life. I'm going to plan it. And so when I run into those situations, and I do, I always make sure to ask myself, what else are you doing? So maybe this will help you. Namaste.